They're saying this one should work. What's up, Silky Smooth gang? Back at you guys with another video. We up early. We getting ready to head back home. It was a long night at the racetrack. We're getting ready to run over to Summit Racing and see what we can find for the 72 Buick LeSabre. It's on the way home, so we're gonna stop by there. We'll show y'all what they got, turbo setups, manifolds, and stuff like that. And we'll see y'all when we get there. See y'all after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
I can't go.
Stay in the left lane.
Yeah. I mean, this left lane? No, that's up there.
The way it was going up to it, like it was going into it.
Right? That's what I thought. Damn, that thing's big. We're almost there, guys. We don't have nothing like this in our little town, so it's kind of exciting to us. It might not be exciting to y'all, but I can't wait to see what they got. Pulling up right now. We got the Denali broke in now, guys. We got 928 miles on it. Oh yeah. Oh, screen clean. Still something on there. Go straight. Straight. Scatty pack. Scat. It said open. I hope it's open. I checked on the down on the website. Summit Racing.
In 900 feet, arrive at Summit Racing Equipment.
I seen this on my buddy's YouTube channel, Pitbull Garage. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. But anyway, yeah, they had some cool stuff in here, so I want to see it in person. And like I said, we might get something for the 72. It's gonna be a surprise, so y'all gonna have to wait. We probably need to follow this race Cadillac. They probably know where they going.
Arrive.
Yeah, that's the main entrance.
In 900 feet, arrive at Summit Racing Equipment. In 900 feet, arrive at Summit Racing Equipment.
Okay, we got it. We here. Oh, got them switches. Got the switches on the Denali. Oh man, this is tight, guys. Well, Silky Smooth gang, we can't be here too long. We're gonna check everything out, see what we can get for the 72. I'll turn y'all on when we get in there because it's a little bit windy. All right, we here, guys. That looks clean. Yes, sir. Let's see what they got. Dang, look at that turbo on there. That's a big turbo. Huge. That's crazy. That's my second favorite color. All right, guys, we got turbos, front end setups. There's too much in here to show y'all everything. Lighten up, camera. Why so dark?
That's a real one on the wall.
A real what?
A real race car on the wall, right there.
Nah.
It's popping out like it's a picture for this house.
Trying to get y'all fixed up. I don't know. They got cams, heads, exhaust, superchargers, every carburetor you could want.
They even got a
Look at it.
This will fit on the 454. That's for a big block.
for the
$1,000.
dang, 1,000.
All right, let's see if we can ask somebody to help us. I want one of these. I like the way these look. Under the hood, you got your two filters on there with the little setup. Whole Pro Charge kit ready to go. Look, you'll be ready to run. I'm trying to see the price. Can't see it.
Oh, Daddy, we can put that on the 72.
Yeah. Let's find the let's see if we can get somebody to help us.
That's a
That comes with the wire harness? That comes with the whole wire harness. That's what I need.
Everything.
See, look, this got the screen. I'm gonna have to get somebody to help me.
Oh,
Sir,
look at that. Look, little.
I'm looking for the like the wire up at LS.
Go to sales.
Okay.
Talk to guy.
Thank you. Everybody in here. Turbos everywhere. What did he say? Oh, sales. They got paint, everything, huh? Alright guys, we're gonna wait in this line and see. They're saying this one should work, guys, so we'll see what we get. Alright guys, we got our wire harness ordered. Well, they had to order the ECM. We'll have it by Tuesday. Today is Sunday. We are picking up the wire harness today. So guys, we're gonna be ready. We're gonna get that 72 started. It's gonna come with a pre-tune just to get it running, and then we'll have to get it tuned. So.
You got 2 belts going around the all the water pump and all. You got 1 belt that's going to the power steering.
Oh, the military one? So, I thought this because you put an X right there.
Come up in here like Dom when I change you out.
We can know. Thank you, though. I seen
Where's my, they have to pay for it?
Yeah.
Well, we
Gonna do black rims
now.
or silver rims?
Can we build it,
We're gonna build it when we get home, so you'll have something to do. I know you're gonna want to build it in the car, but it'd be more fun if we can put it on the table and I can help you. Right? Okay. Whatever you want to do.
It did apply.
Okay.
It came, $779.30.
are they gonna,
700. No.
are they gonna come with us?
Is that debit or credit, sir?
Credit.
Credit?
Right. All right. The water pump engine, those would be together. Alternate the water pump and sure.
It's a weird system. It doesn't like the parts in there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just do it too, and I guess.
You didn't see me out there?
Okay.
I was one of the guys behind that
little
counter.
short belt, yeah. So
At the track?
belt in and just take a picture and we'll go through the
You were. Oh, you were over there.
Yeah, me and another gentleman by the name of Art. He's one of our sponsors.
Yeah.
Laptops, walking around, saying hello.
Yeah.
That's what I told him. We need to start going over this.
The nice day, Saturday.
Yeah.
That was the best day to come.
Yeah.
I've got some good news for you. So with that purchase, that puts you at 600 speed points. So that's over the 500. So in about 10 days, you're gonna have a $15
Guys, we really don't
Cool.
allow.
Oh, okay.
Turn that off.
Okay.
Please turn that off.
Yeah. Push the button. Alright guys, we are out of here. We got our wire harness. PCM is ordered. Oh my goodness, it's windy. Alright guys, we made it home, man, safely guys, from the show. And we got the wire harness in, and like I said earlier, the ECM will be in Tuesday. So we're gonna get started on the 72. A couple of y'all been asking, so we're gonna get ready to start on it. The wire harness is right here, man. We got that painless performance, so yes sir. Well, anyways, it was a long freaking weekend for us guys, so guess what? Y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.